Hey, what's up? Hey, so I was wondering if you had any gift ideas for Sarah because I kind of left it till the last minute again and I don't know what I should get her. I'm kind of in the middle of something, but I do have a video that I posted about. Oh, are you talking about the 30 gift ideas video? Because like it's a little outdated. You've just been like changing the year every year and it's not really relevant anymore. Yeah, no, there's a new one. Oh, you made a new one. Okay. Yeah. I'll check that one out then. Yeah, I kind of need to get back to it. Okay, thank you. Good luck with whatever you're doing. Hey, what's up? It's Iris, and today I'm giving you 50 gift ideas and advice on how to pick out the perfect personal gift for literally anyone in your life. Could be your dad, your grandma, your aunt, your uncle, anybody. You could also get some ideas for your wish list from this video. Just by the way. I'm also giving away a set of LED lights like these ones, so stick around till the end of the video for information on how to win. This is my first giveaway, I'm so excited. There are 4 categories that all have a range of price options, so you should be able to find something to suit your fancy. Also, the 4th category is pretty much entirely free, so get ready. Category 1 is aesthetic gifts. These are things you can wear. I've also included beauty items in this category. Any jewelry from En Route. This is the store that Ashley, aka Best Dress, sells her jewelry on, and they have like so many adorable options. So if somebody in your life wears like dainty jewelry, this is a great store to get it from. Shipping is super inexpensive. A comfy sweater like this one from Aerie. The Hanes EcoSmart sweatshirt. I talked about this in my last video. I love the sweatshirt. It's really inexpensive and it comes in a ton of cute colors. I wear it every day. It holds up amazingly. I've been wearing it like pretty much every day for 2.5 months. Socks, anything fuzzy or cute. Glossier Bomb.com. I literally use this every day. This is the mint one. I love it so much. Anything from Glossier is honestly really cute. Some nice smelling soap. This is a good one to get locally if any of the shops around you sell like handmade soap. Workout clothing. If someone likes working out, they will never have too much workout clothing. I recommend Nike, Gymshark, Under Armour. If someone's doing online school and they don't already have blue light glasses, get them some blue light glasses. Next is hand cream. We're all using hand sanitizer constantly, so we've got some chapped hands. Some matching mittens, hat, and scarf, or just any of those options would be a cute gift. Perfume or body spray. The Body Shop has some really good ones. A pair of shoes. These could be Vans, Converse, Nikes, Doc Martens. Platform shoes are really in right now, and also they make you feel so powerful. Highly recommend. A tie, if they wear ties. There are these like mask hanger clip things. They're like glasses straps, but for your mask. That's a cool one for right now. Overalls, also in. A purse, a wallet, or a card case. Undies, if that wouldn't be a weird gift for you to give them. Depends on your relationship. A cute belt. ASOS has a lot of good options. And then my last suggestion for this category is a watch. The next category is food and drinks. Never underestimate the power of the gift basket. Giving someone a bunch of snacks and drinks that you know they like is always a good move. So my first suggestion for this category is to get some snacks from foreign import stores, because you can get some snacks that you wouldn't necessarily normally try. One of my favorites is Kinder Chocolate. This is just a certain brand of chocolate. My sister literally showed up to our house yesterday with these Kinder Chocolate, und die sind sehr gut. Some Tirani coffee syrup for any coffee drinkers in your life. If you have a teen who drinks a lot of iced coffee, they might really love this. The sun is literally staring me in the eyeballs right now. Seasonal candy is also another good option, like peppermint bark. Gum. Anybody who's in school is always wanting gum. Almond Roca, someone's favorite soda. We're really trying to make the dentists mad right now. It's a gift. A good infused olive oil or dressing. This is more of an adult gift. And then someone's favorite type of chip, like Takis or whatever they like. That's it for the snack category. It's a category where observation really comes in handy because you really gotta know what the person likes. But once you do know that, it's really easy to pick out the good gifts for them. Category 3 is gifts you can use and things for the house. A phone case, an AirPods case, screen wipes. Nobody ever buys them, but they're really useful. A candle. Target has some really good ones. My favorite ones are from the Hearth and Hand brand. I think these are really nice. They're kind of fancy and they smell super good. Oh, so good. Incense, a diffuser, room spray, all just going with making the space smell nice. An electric lighter or any kind of cute lighter is a good option. If someone really likes planning, they will love you if you get them some zebra mild liners, a set of mid liners for anybody who likes to draw, a sketchbook, a notebook, watercolors, one of those watercolor color brushes. If you have an artist in your life, they might really like that. A good one for adults is a nice salad bowl, or those like salad bowl grabby things, you know what I'm talking about? LED light strips, like these ones, like the ones you can win. If you have a sibling obsessed with TikTok, they want these. My sister's a middle school teacher and her kids will not stop talking about them. A light up alarm clock. I just bought this one, which I'm actually using to help me light this video right now. This is what it looks like. It's great. One of those light projectors. These are also super trendy right now. One thing I love to receive as a YouTuber is external hard drives, but these are really helpful for anybody who is always like, I'm running out of space on my laptop. This is my all-time favorite. It's a lacy hard drive. I have never had a problem with this, and I've had problems with many hard drives in my life. So this is the first one I've not had a problem with. A laptop stand is also a really good gift for quarantine. Elevating your computer is really helpful for stamina when you're working online. It helps prevent neck pain. It's really helpful. A ring light, a tripod with a phone mount, or one of those selfie stick tripods for anybody who likes to TikTok. Glass or metal straws, a nice set of cups or jars to go with them. Resistance bands. Sorry, this is just all over the place. I'm hopping back and forth between various different things. A cute acrylic or glass makeup organizer, a potted plant, something that is hard to kill, like a succulent perhaps. Polaroid film, cordless charger, a silk pillowcase to help with your skin, your hair. Apparently they're supposed to be really good. Shot glasses. I think these are adorable. I think they're an adorable gift for anybody who drinks. Basically, pay attention. If somebody has a hobby, get them something to help them with that hobby, something to help them make their art, or something for the house that maybe they had but broke or they haven't bought for themselves yet. I personally love receiving like useful gifts. I'm a big fan of this category. Kombucha break. Fun fact, I was trying to film this before and it just like wasn't working, and then I got my kombucha and now I feel a lot better and it's working. So my laptop is like overheating right now, like it's a problem. I don't know, excuse me, can you calm down please? What is your issue? My band is texting me. The fourth and final category is acts of service. Oh my god, I love this one. Me and my sister are always doing this for our parents. I think this is a really good one for kids. If you don't know what to give your parents, you can give them some of your physical labor. I think this one is a really underestimated gift. People don't think about it, but honestly, it can really make a difference in someone's life. Some specific suggestions for this category is to clean a room in your house. If there's a big household task that one of your parents has been talking about, either help them with the task or do things to make it more possible for them to get to that task. Organize a part of the house in a more streamlined way. Move around the furniture in a room, or take over your siblings' chores for a week, or give them like a coupon to do so. They will hold that over your head, but it's a good option. It's harder to be more specific than those suggestions for acts of service, but you probably can think of something that you could do for someone that might make them happy. Another good one is cleaning someone's car. You really do not need to give expensive gifts. If you put a lot of thought into what you are giving somebody, and it's something that maybe they didn't even know they wanted for themselves, or maybe they mentioned it once to you and you remembered and you came back with that gift, oh my god, that's my favorite thing. A lot of the suggestions I gave you involve online shopping. I even mentioned some things from Amazon, which I know Amazon is evil and Jeff Bezos is evil. I still use it though. Oh! But a lot of my suggestions involve online shopping because it's not really a good idea to be going into like malls right now. It is peak COVID numbers in the United States. So if you do need to go somewhere in person, please wear a mask. Please keep the people around you safe, social distance, and be kind to the people who are working because that is incredibly stressful. Okay, that's it for the gift ideas, but here's how you can win your own set of LED lights. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, then comment down below a gift that you're giving somebody else this holiday season. I am assuming you're watching this video because of that, but if you don't celebrate any winter holidays, comment down below a gift that you would like to receive for any time of the year. I am sorry to say this giveaway is only open to US residents at this time. I'm a small YouTuber. I'm sorry, shipping's really expensive, but stick around for more in the future because I want to start rewarding you guys for staying with me for so long. I have some really loyal subscribers who watch every video and comment on every video, and that is just insane to me. Like, I love you. I don't say it enough, but I appreciate it so much, and it just like means the world to me. You have all the way up until December 25th, 2020 to enter this giveaway, and I will be announcing the giveaway winner on my Instagram on the 26th and on my YouTube on the 27th. So if you want that early glimpse at who won, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, and I will need to be able to get into contact with you, so please stick around. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying with me. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and I will... My microphone decided to be very dramatic in that final moment. I literally just said, I will see you in the next one. And I'll see you in the next one. I don't know why this has been the most stressful video for me to film. I think it's because I'm trying to live up to my famed 30 cheap, easy gift ideas for teen girls, which is the most popular video on my channel. It has 70,000 views. What?